If you ever want to run Linux and you do not want it to have a different setup, or you do not have two systems, then what are the options we have? Well, in this video, I am going to talk about a solution that lets you run Linux inside Windows through WSL. Basically a real Ubuntu Linux running inside Windows. Alright, so let's see how we can install Ubuntu inside Windows. For that, first of all, I'm gonna open PowerShell. So let's quickly type PowerShell, and here let's run it as administrator. Now here the second command that we need to type is WSL --install. Let's click enter, and there you go. Here you can see it has started downloading Windows system for Linux, and now it is automatically downloading Ubuntu as well. Alright, so we have successfully installed it. Now here it is asking us to create Unix user account. So let me quickly do that, and the password. And now it is asking us if you would like to opt in to, and now here you need to click on no. Right now here we can see we are at a Windows PowerShell path, which is the following. It is always better to go and work from where we have installed this Linux. So in order to find that, what we can do is we need to type following command, which is cd and then this title symbol that will come by pressing shift. Now let's hit enter. Your prompt will now looks like following, which is your Ubuntu home. Now in order to see, if it is really Ubuntu, what we can do is we can type this following command, which is who am I, and it says my name. In this way, guys, we can install Linux inside Windows, and you can also go through this welcome guide of Linux. And that's wrap up this video. I hope that you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus for more such Windows related content, and I will see you in the next one.